Hello. Have you ever wondered how plants get their food? It's not like us. We eat food, but plants don't eat anything. So how do plants survive? The answer lies in a magical process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process that plants use to convert sunlight into food and energy. It's like plants have their own built-in solar panels. To perform photosynthesis, plants need a few key ingredients. First, sunlight. Sunlight provides the energy needed to start the process. Carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny pores called stomata. Water. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. Lastly, chlorophyll. This green pigment found in plant cells is essential for capturing sunlight. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll in the leaves captures sunlight. This energy is used to convert the water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that plants use for food. As a byproduct of this process, plants also release oxygen into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is not only essential for plants, but also for all other living things on Earth. The oxygen released by plants is vital for the survival of animals, including humans. Additionally, the food produced by plants through photosynthesis forms the basis of the food chain, providing energy for all living organisms. So the next time you see a plant, remember the amazing process of photosynthesis that allows the plant to create its own food and sustain life on Earth. Photosynthesis is truly a magical process that keeps our planet green and thriving. Thank you for watching.